keep vital sign monitors running. For that, there's another solution. We could level out the duck curve by storing electricity when it's made in excess and dishing it out when we need it the most. For example, any extra electricity solar panels make during the day could be stored and then used in the evening so power plants don't have to work as hard. And there are already multiple ways we could make this happen. First, you've got electrochemical storage, aka your everyday battery. Batteries contain charged particles. And when you plug in your phone, those particles go from one end of the battery to the other and hang out there until you need them. Then when you unplug your phone and start scrolling through cat photos, the particles release energy by whipping back to the other side of the battery, generating an electric current as they go. Batteries are fast and easy to charge. They're relatively safe and portable, and they can hold their energy for a very long time. The trouble is, electrochemical batteries often use metals that are rare on Earth. So assembling enough of them to store electricity for an entire grid
pluggen, pluggen, pluggen.